If you're a person that doesn't like to use gels, you could get away with just using a mousse. This is the styling mousse from As I Am. You don't even need to put in the gel, but you're not gonna have as much hold and it probably won't last as long. Just letting you know, it says an option. You can just take the mousse and just rake it in. You see the definition. Like, so if I took my time and I would add water to this, because like, that's a lot of mousse in one spot. Just add the water, because the water is gonna help even out the distribution of the product. So we're just, it's dripping all over me now. But you're only gonna have a medium hold. It's not gonna have a strong hold. If you're like me, you want a stronger hold because you want this to last all week. You wanna be doing this every day. The medium hold will last you, I would say, half a week. I don't know, even, and that's like if you're wearing your bonnet and making sure you're using a shower cap. I've said it before, don't worry about the white that's being caused from the mousse. This will go away in 5-10 minutes. Obviously I have a lot back there. I gotta kind of even this out and even probably work a little bit out. I probably put way too much, but you can work with just the mousse and not have to reach for the gel if you're not a gel type person.